Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video, today I will show you a leather bodycon ideas, short leather. My dear friends, let's talk about trendy fashion, about leather mini bodycons, PVC style tight shiny leather mini bodycon ideas will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow, my dear friends, if you like to follow hottest women and plus size women, senior citizens, and much more about colleges, friends, and universities, fellow friends, all hottest mini bodycon ideas. My dear friends, if you like to follow daily workouts, in clubs, parties, functions, night functions, events, and much more about all your festive events and moods. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of tattoos, videos and leather mini bodycon ideas will change your look. My dear friends, thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about leather mini bodycon ideas. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather mini bodycon PVC style tight shiny leather mini bodycon ideas. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos. Take care. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.